Okay, we're going to reset the service indicator light here. So here's a button over here. You keep that depressed. You put the ignition on. So we'll keep that button depressed. We put the ignition on. You'll see the inspection light go on. You'll see it'll give you a couple of messages there, but keep your finger there. Okay, you see inspection will flash. It'll flash for a few seconds, and then once that finishes and you just get a couple of dotted lines, then you know that your that it has been reset. Okay, so we put the ignition off. Okay, we'll turn the ignition on. You'll see the inspection lights don't come on. We start the car, no inspection light. Okay, so that cancelled out, but please just only do that after you've done a service. Okay, I hope this video, you find this video useful. See you with the next one.